begun. I've only gone a couple hundred feet, and I just got out and checked the combine, see what type of job we're doing. Looks pretty stinking good. Tank's not dirty really, so that's good. And moisture is a little bit, I got to get back rolling. I think it's like 17% or something, so that's pretty good. But this is a much later start than last year. Last year we were well into corn harvest by this point. Right now we are just now getting started, so we are way behind schedule. Main reason why, crops are just not drying down. This stuff was planted early, that's why this is ready to roll. So I got that field and this field, and that's it. Then I got to go over by combine. It's like 20 minutes north of here, and cut a little bit more crop for the same guy up there. So I just realized my panel is open. Looks like, if you look in the mirror, looks like my panel's open on the combine, so I got to go shut that real fast. Same field, ended up having to stop, adjust my feeder house chain, and do a couple adjustments to the combine. So things have been a little bit slow. We would have been a lot farther, but it's first day, so there's a lot of kinks we got to work out of the system. So my feeder house chain had too much slack in it. So it was dragging, it was slipping every so often, it seemed like, on the drum. And it seemed like at times it wanted to plug up. So I ended up having to stop, adjust that, do some other fixes real fast to the combine. Yeah, now we're up and running, got the rust knocked off the combine, and starting to roll through the crop. Well, all done for the night. We didn't get as far as we wanted to, because we had to make those adjustments, and it just, time got away from us. So we're all done here now. We're gonna drop the header, get everything done, and then we will, tomorrow Dad will move the combine and header to the next place. So I'll see you over there, I guess. We're at the next field. Time to get rocking and rolling. Well, we're dumping off. This corn's pretty dry. It's running around 17–18%, which just on that monitor was not accurate, because every time I pick up and I finish cutting, it resets the monitor, so it's random for whatever yield and moisture will say. So, we're cutting right along right now. Alright guys, so this is our third heifer giving birth to a calf. I was able to actually catch this on film for you guys. So this is a time lapse of the calf being born. This is about 5 minutes after she went into labor, so it was a pretty quick birth for the calf. And right now she is licking the calf, and making sure he is awake and alive and okay, and cleaning him up and doing as Mother Nature wants his mother to do.
And so as of right now, all 3 of the calves are running around and they're really healthy. In this clip, you just saw all 3 of the calves. There's more of them bucking around, and they were only like 2 days old. The one that's up and walking, he's like 3 days old, and now they're all like a month old or something, I believe, and they're all doing really well, and we're really happy with them. I believe we have 2 bulls and a heifer, so everything went well. And this happened right at the beginning of harvest. This was actually right after I finished cutting corn for that one guy, so it actually was kind of cool finally getting to see that, because usually calf births happen during the night, or you don't even know they happen during the day sometimes, because they're just out, roaming in the pastures, and you just don't even know. And so right now he's trying to get up, it looks like. I'm sorry I couldn't get the best footage for you. I didn't want to go out there and spook him or anything, especially seeing as how that's a newborn calf and the mother is very protective. So